Hey there, friends! Welcome back to Quiz Universe, where fun never takes a break. Today, we've got an emoji-packed movie challenge that'll put your cinema knowledge to the test. Can you guess the movie by emoji? We've lined up 15 awesome puzzles, and you'll have just 10 seconds to guess each one. Think fast. Every second counts. Special giveaway alert. We're shouting out a few lucky viewers who left cool comments on our last video. Want to see your name pop up next time? Easy peasy. Just drop a comment below and hit that subscribe button. Let's dive right in. First level coming in hot. Which movie is this? Perfect start. It's super scary. Next up, can you guess this one? Yep, it's Spider-Man. Here's an easy one. Got it? Lion King, of course. Spooky vibes incoming. Nailed it! It's Scream. This one's the hottest film right now. Know what it is? Tell us in the comments. Classics alert! This timeless gem is Titanic. Who could forget a rat that can cook? Ratatouille, you got it. Next one's a piece of cake. Kung Fu Panda. Guess this movie? Wednesday. Nailed it! It's everyone's favorite Christmas film. Home Alone. Bonus round. Spot the 6 differences in these photos. Time's up. Did you catch them all? This one's super familiar. Yep, Finding Nemo. Guess the movie from these emojis. Zootopia. What about this one? It's got to be Harry Potter. And finally, Edward Scissorhands. Nice job! That's a wrap! How many did you crush today? Drop your score in the comments. Let's see who's got the sharpest movie mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a challenge. Thanks for hanging out with us on Quiz Universe. Now go pick your next quiz adventure. See ya next time.